Hello everyone, welcome to Shishuvat. I am Priya and today we are going to make a breakfast or a snack recipe for toddlers and young kids. This recipe is called the vermicelli upma, and for this we are going to use half cup vermicelli. This is regular unroasted vermicelli that we get in the market. If you have the roasted vermicelli, you can use that as well. We are going to need 1 teaspoon of ghee, half a teaspoon of rai dana or mustard seeds. These are small mustard seeds. 4 to 5 curry leaves. 1 tablespoon of finely chopped onion. 1 tablespoon of finely chopped tomatoes. A few peas. 1 tablespoon of finely chopped carrots. And similar amount of beans. If you want, you can add other vegetables as well. We'll need some spices. Here is haldi, salt and jeera powder. I will put all the quantities in the description box, and we'll need water as required. So here I'm heating a pan, and we are going to dry roast the vermicelli first. Now if you have the roasted vermicelli, you can skip this step completely. So I have roasted it for 3 to 4 minutes and it has been roasted nicely. So in the same pan, I will add my ghee and let it melt. Now once the ghee is melted, we're going to add the mustard seeds. So, here I have used the fine mustard seeds, which is also called the rai dana. In goes my curry leaves. Once the mustard seeds start spluttering, then we will add the onions. Saute the onions for a few seconds. Once they are slightly transparent, then we will add the tomatoes. So just let it cook. Now we are adding the tomatoes. And again we will saute both of these till they are a little soft and cooked. The onions and tomato are partially cooked, so I will now add the other vegetables. Here are my carrots, and we have chopped these vegetables very fine, so they will not take very long to cook. Also, little children don't like big chunks of vegetables, so it is always best to cut them into small pieces. So once this is sauteed, now I will add the remaining vegetables, finely chopped beans and the peas, and then we'll mix it all together and let them cook. Now this is a very filling and recipe and can be given to kids in lunchbox also. For younger kids or toddlers, you can also make it as a lunch or a dinner recipe, because this is like a wholesome meal. It has vegetables, it has vermicelli for carbohydrates, everything is there. So now we have sauteed all the vegetables well. In go my spices, turmeric powder and cumin seed powder, and then we will add the salt as per taste. Now if you're making it for say babies who are less than 1 year, just skip the salt. The rest of the recipe can be same. I have added about a tablespoon of water to help the cooking. Now we will just cover it and let it cook for about a minute or two, just to so that all the vegetables are nicely softened and cooked. So in about 1 minute, this is how the water has been absorbed. I'll add my roasted vermicelli, mix everything together. Now we will add about a cup of water so that everything gets cooked nicely. The vermicelli is soft. Because we are making it for young kids, we want it to be well cooked. So with this water, the salt will also be absorbed. It will give a very nice taste. It's already smelling very well, smelling nicely. So once the water starts boiling, we will reduce the heat and cover it, and then we will let it cook for anywhere between 3 to 4 minutes till you see that all the water has been absorbed. As you can see, the water has been absorbed, the vermicelli is nice and soft, vegetables are looking perfectly cooked. So now we'll take it out and let the child enjoy. So if you like this recipe, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We will see you again with another healthy and nutritious recipe for kids. Bye bye.